Hello and welcome back to another video by Scene for Cars. Today we are testing this huge X7. As you can see, it's the 6-seater version. Everything folds automatically. Yeah, the rear seat, second seat row, quite a lot of space in here. I'll take a seat, and yeah, it's really comfy. You can move the seat backwards electronically. Got a nice and fluffy, don't know how to call it in English, nice armrest, nice cup holders down there, electronic stuff down there, heating, cooling for the seats, everything. No display here, unfortunately. A huge panoramic roof, really lovely, even at the rear, but it's closed right now. The rear seats, yeah, now they are folded down, therefore we got a huge trunk, but yeah, there's not a lot of leg space. That's the front, huge display over there, all over the place, but looks really nice. But now hop into the driver's seat and let's start this POV test drive by Scene Through Cars. And the start button is over there. Put it into sports mode, of course. There is comfort mode and Eco Pro as well, but I don't know what this shit button really. Who the fuck uses this button? I don't know it. Yeah, that's the gear selection down there. iDrive system looks nice, crystal like, really like it. iDrive, perfect. The height of the car is adjustable here. There's some assistant driving for rock climbing, don't know how to describe it better. A lot of space underneath there, but yeah. Cooling and heating for drinks as well. What is annoying, it's even hard to show. Here should you put your mobile phone in, and if there are two drinks, I put it in there, it's like impossible. But nonetheless, I really like this car. The view out is perfect, mirrors are big, visibility wise it's perfect. So now we're in drive and we start. Hopefully we get out of here because there is a lot of traffic going on, really a lot of traffic. But we will see. So there we go. And I will floor the throttle. Yeah, we are really fast. Under the hood there is a 6-cylinder petrol engine which produces 333 horses. Like 333, yeah, could be a devil's number. But yeah, it's the 40i version, like, yeah, you know, engine wise. And it's enough power, 0 to 100 in something above 6 seconds. That's quite fast for nearly 2.5 tons. As far as I know, it's only petrol powered, therefore no hybrid stuff. What I know, maybe there's a mild hybrid, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it works really nice in combination with the transmission. You know, those ZF transmissions BMW builds in, they work really good in combination with the engine. Oh, and it pushes you in the seat. That's really nice. Head-up display, really well made. Now it's really funny, those stripes, I don't know if you can see them, but they are moving if you are cornering, like they are always in the wedge. No, wedge is the wrong word, but they always stay flat, like, you know, like that. They always move like that. If you're doing corner, then they move like that. That's really funny. Or small things. In general, yeah, layout isn't the analog stuff anymore, but they think a lot of it, I think. Yeah, well, maybe design, it's not everybody likes design, but at least they think a lot, because it's it's different dials over there, but yeah, they somehow make sense, and we are just not used to it. Well, and if you ever forget in which car you sit, then over there it's standing, you're in an X7. Yeah, I always thought I forget if I'm sitting in there. Therefore they made that. Thank you, BMW. We got a nice Harman Kardon sound system, works really nice as well. Yeah, everything's nice in here. I can't complain about anything except from this car is a new car. And in all new cars, you're always too fast. You're always fucking too fast. I don't know how people can use such cars as a daily, and yeah, they need thousands of euros every year for their bills in their tickets, speed tickets. Yeah, that's the word. And yeah, I don't understand that. I prefer all the cars because then I'm not always too fast. But of course, if you have to overtake, and it's just as easy as pushing the pedal like that, and yeah, then you're nearly in front of everyone. It's a real BMW. It's sporty driving. It's not only their marketing, it's really sporty driving in a BMW. Yeah, right now I'm in sports mode, therefore everything is a little bit harder, but in general steering is quite hard because the tires are huge. But that's, yeah, they can't really do something about it. I can try comfort mode, but I don't think that it will get that much better. So now we're in comfort mode. Yeah, it's a little bit lighter, but still the car wants to steer like in those road lanes. Yeah, it's a little bit better because the steering is softer, but you know, still getting those yeah, you want to steer somewhere else. The display is really well made, as I already mentioned, and what's really nice, I can put on massage seats over there. Well, a moment, it's German, of course. Yeah, here we go. On. No! Damn, that's not what I wanted. Guys. Yeah, really nice. I like that. Really nice. Of course, the car is able to steer itself, or as they call it, assistant driving, and it's really assistant driving because, as you know, assistant driving only works as good as those road paintings are. Like, yeah, in here. I don't know, can you see them? Yeah, I can see them. Here it will work quite good, but sometimes those lanes aren't visible, and sometimes the road is getting broader or smaller. Smaller is better, then it's okay for the car, but if it's getting broader, sorry for the wrong word, if it's getting broader, then of course the car doesn't know where to orientate, and it's just driving a little bit around inside the lanes. Now, nothing special for me. I know it's hard to program something like that, but yeah, I mean, Tesla is able to do it. I haven't ever tested it, but they at least say so. Maybe they should buy their system. I'm not sure. Maybe Tesla's system doesn't work as good as they say. Then yeah, they should keep their system. What else in this car is nice to point out? Those pedals here, but I like that there are pedals, but the pedals themselves feel like plastic. That's something I don't like in such a expensive car.